Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bilkesh and I hope you have a great ahead. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm meditating. So that's how I started my morning in the gym. It was pretty hyped up. The songs were pretty good. So it kept me going. But ठीक है, कभी कभी मुझे जिम का गाना पसंद नहीं है. So the headphone is on. Anyway, now let's get some workout done. So on my way back, I got some bazaar done and had some sugarcane juice. And this is what my kitchen looks like because मुझे meal prep करना है for the next 2-3 days. I got some chicken from bazaar, I got some prawns and मैंने वो ये जो paste बनाया है, this is really good. Pretty ordinary paste जैसे garlic, ginger और chili paste होता है वैसे ही. I made this paste and I've added it in the prawn and chicken and also I added this yogurt in the chicken. और meal prep के लिए मैंने chicken का वो जो तंदूरी टिक्का वाला flavor होता है I made those because sometimes I make like tikka roll out of leftover chapati and sometimes make like rice. तो ये अच्छा रहता है when it's like prepped all in the fridge. You just take it out, you microwave it, you pan fry it or you air fry it, whatever it is. करके तुम आराम से खा सकते हो. So it's pretty good. So I'm just putting some basic spices, haldi, chili powder, salt, some tandoori masala, coriander powder, that's it. And for the prawn, I'm keeping it very simple with just this garlic paste along with some salt because uska मैं बहुत कुछ बना सकती हूँ. For summer or spring rolls that you guys have with rice paper, I really like that. I'll put up the recipe soon. So it's for that and sometimes for salad also. तो इसके लिए मैंने ये 2 मील प्रेप करके रखी हूँ बिकॉज प्रोटीन. तो दिस गोज स्ट्रेट इनटू द फ्रिज फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द वीक. नॉट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द वीक, जस्ट फॉर 2-3 days. नाउ ये जो पेस्ट बच गया है वी गोटा स्टोर इट फॉर सम नेक्स्ट मील. ये पेस्ट रह जाता है लाइक 3 to 4 days आराम से रह जाता है एंड उसका टेस्ट भी वैसे बदलता नहीं है. So yeah, pretty good to store it as well. And now it's time to wash all the utensils. You have no idea what my basin looks like. I'm so ashamed to even show it to you guys. ये गंदी है, मेरे को दिखाना नहीं है. But anyway, I'm going to clean off my gas oven also. I'm all soaked wet. This is how summer actually looks like. I really need to get like an apron, but that has to be aesthetic and I'm not getting anything that's cool looking and ganda bhi na ho. I'll soon get an apron, but for now please bear with me. Ganda mat sochna, but theek hai, wet. That's how we look during summers, let's be really honest, है ना. Anyway, after all those household chores, this and that, I'm going to ये जो pomegranate है इसको peel करूँगी and I'll also store this in the fridge and it's gonna stay for like a week pretty good. And कभी oatmeal में खा सकते हैं या फिर just to snack on these with some tea. So again pretty handy, right? तो अच्छा रहता है. After all this, I need to clean my house as well and उसके बाद I need to groom Millie. फिर outing भी है. Who doesn't like to come to a clean house, right? Now that I have freshened up, I'm all set for the day. It's time for Millie's little grooming sesh. उसको brush करना ज़रूरी है because otherwise matting होने का chances है. By the way, she's such a good girl. She listens, she sits quiet and bears with me. But she's too sweet. It's time for me to make my lunch. मैंने meal prep करके रखा है for the next day and day after and day after. But for today I don't feel like eating any rice or something. I am recently obsessed with ragi flour. तो उसी का ही कुछ बनाऊंगी. कुछ मतलब चीला या फिर रोटी जो भी बोलते हैं. And it tastes so good and it turns out to be crispy also. मतलब edges काफ़ी crispy होता है और बीच में डोसा जैसा texture आता है. And you can put as many veggies as you like, but it's better to shred those. तो फिर अच्छे से वो batter के साथ मिल जाता है and it tastes really good. I'm just going to put some beet and potato, some carrot, dhania patta and chilies and I'm just putting the batter and some water. वैसे कंसिस्टेंसी काफ़ी थिन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये काफ़ी थिक हो जाने से ना पैनकेक जैसा मोटा बन जाता है. सो वी डोंट वांट दैट, वी जस्ट वांट अ थिन चपाती लाइक थिंग, राइट. सो थोड़ा सा ऑयल, ये फर्स्ट वाला जो हम लोग डालते हैं ना उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल लगता है, और फॉर द नेक्स्ट वी डोंट नीड मच ऑयल. तब तक पैन थोड़ा सा ग्रीजी वैसे हो जाता है, सो वी डोंट नीड मच ऑयल. एंड आई विल शो इट टू यू गाइज हाउ गुड दिस लुक्स. इन द मील वाइल, जब तक वो रोटी बन रहा है, लेट्स मेक सम रायता एंड सम सैलड ऑन द साइड. वैसे सेम वेजिटेबल्स दैट वाज लेफ्ट, वो बीट और गाजर का, एंड सम cucumber I'm gonna grate. And to this I'm going to add some dahi and some salt, some chaat masala, jeera powder, and it tastes so good. And also with some water ताकि वो थोड़ा सा runny बने. I don't like thick ones. And also going to add some black pepper as well. वैसे मुझे thick रायता पसंद नहीं है. I just like it a little runny, and I find it really tasty. So that's how I'm going to keep it for the lunch, along with ragi roti and some poached eggs and some more salad for extra fiber. Yes, I'm one of those people on earth who actually can bear a lot of fiber and we do not get upset stomach. मेरे घर में my mom and dad, I and my dad can really digest fibers. I mean, we can have lots and lots of cucumbers and it won't harm us. But my mom and my brother, they just can't digest a cucumber और फिर जो भी ज़्यादा fiber होता है, they can't. But I love my salads, and so does my dad. So we literally enjoy salads while they just keep staring at us. But ठीक है, वैसे हर किसी के घर में ऐसे टाइप का होता ही रहता है. So like I said, the roti looks like this and it tastes so good. Unless you try it, you won't even understand what this tastes like. It's pretty good actually. And this is what my plate looks like, pretty yummy. And now I'm going to dig in. What a combination. Also, अगर आपने पोड़ी बनाया है कभी, या फिर गन पाउडर, जो भी पोड़ी मिक्सचर जो भी मिलता है ना, वो साउथ इंडियन कॉन्डिमेंट होता है. यू कैन ईजिली गेट इट इन द मार्केट एंड द बेस्ट वे इज़ टू मेक इट एट होम. आई डू हैव रेसिपीज़ फॉर इट. यू कैन चेक आउट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड इट टेस्ट सो गुड विथ एग्स या फिर जस्ट राइस एंड घी. So good. In the meanwhile, I got my Amazon parcel and it was a coffee beater that I have ordered. And after lunch, I had to rush to a date with Akansha to this cafe called Craft Coffee. Stunning cafe, lots of greenery all around, and we had to rush because sundown hone se pehle hi we need to get our pictures clicked. Just a girl thing, or maybe boy thing, who cares. तो यहाँ पे इट्स अ पेट फ्रेंडली कैफ़े. आई रियली वांट टू ब्रिंग मिली ऑल्सो समडे आफ्टर ऑल हर वैक्सीनेशन ड्यूज़ आर ओवर. थोड़ा सा बाकी है एंड उसके बाद मैं उसको भी लेके आऊँगी. एंड इसलिए मैं और आकांक्षा आई हूँ जस्ट टू सी द एम्बियंस एंड हाउ इट लुक्स एंड फील्स लाइक. वैसे मैं यहाँ पे पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ विद डायना, another friend of mine. She actually brought me here for the first time. I loved it back then, I like it now. And we're going to order some food because Akansha was really hungry. She didn't have a lunch. And we're going to order some pizza, some seafood and some coffee. Vese, this property is so stunning. This is somebody's house and the cafe is attached to the property. And they have some luxurious vintage cars to display. Oh my god, they look so good. And look at the house. Nazar na lage. Anyway, so after clicking lots and lots of pictures, we are also making some videos of food that we ordered. We ordered this pesto pizza and some calamari, which is a squid fry, along with coffee and some mojito and some good conversation. वैसे you're not friends if you do not have somebody exactly opposite to you in terms of clothing choices या फिर food, taste, culture. हम लोगों का सब कुछ different है, but the mindset is pretty similar, so we match on that level. And I was also talking to my boyfriend and Millie because she was missing me, like he said. And consciously or unconsciously, this little things brings so much of joy in our lives. There's so much greenery in this cafe and we also spotted this mango tree. वैसे कोलकाता का यही खासियत है, like during summers every lanes you might spot some kind of mango trees here and there. I have spent a lovely evening with this girl with endless conversations and laughter. And to you guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you all soon. And I'll come with a new vlog soon. See you guys.